As I'm going about fixing this, you can see that both headlights are smashed. And I'm actually missing one chunk of the bumper altogether, that whole loop. So I'm going to remove each of the lights because I'll never find replacements. And as you can see, they're only held on by this little bracket right here. I'm going to cut each one off. I'm also going to cut this off here and here. I'm going to smooth out the weld so it's just a plain bumper. I'll be using my Ryobi battery operated grinder with a cutoff wheel. I'm going to go about doing the same thing on the other side. After cutting all the brackets off, I used another hand grinder with a flap disc. I think it's a 40 grit flap disc. Kind of smoothed off the welds so it looks like it was never there. I'll throw a coat of paint onto it and it'll look like just a plain bumper. Quick coat of spray paint. Good as new. So after the work of putting it all back together, let's see if it works. Runs great.